Long time no chat. I haven't made a video in a while. I had a brand send me something to unbox earlier this year, and I unboxed it and I didn't feel comfortable sharing it with you. I take a lot of pride in ensuring that the products that I do share with you are products that I can recommend. There's nothing worse in the world than me. There's nothing worse to me than me talking to you about a product that maybe I don't really think you need to know about. Not all cloth diapers are made equal, and there's definitely a lot of variation in it. And to me, knowing that a product comes with customer care, customer service, or is specifically designed to meet a need is important to me. I have often in the past done just, I'll take what I can get, and this is 2020, and this is about showcasing products that I actually really think will set you up to succeed in cloth diapering. And so I am going to be a lot more picky about who I talk to, how I talk about it, and what I talk about. So with that said, earlier this week, I got a package from baby Koala. If you listen to the podcast, you may have heard Lheidli share her story about starting up a cloth diaper brand and business in Israel. So this package came to me all the way from Tel Aviv, Israel, and I am excited to show it to you. So let's open it. Lheidli did a fantastic job keeping this box shut, considering it came from the other side of the world. Yeah, good thing customs didn't get into it, hey? A big, beautiful package. Oh my gosh. So she's got me a whole goodies. And you know what? I don't need this many diapers, so I'm gonna photograph these and we will do some random giveaways over on my Instagram page. So if you follow the Cloth Diaper Podcast, go do that. So what we've got here is a pre-fold. Pre-fold's, again, a great choice for overnight cloth diapering. We'll get this washed up and I'll give you some absorbency numbers in the coming weeks. In this big, beautiful box, Lheidli sent me her pocket cloth diaper, and she sent me six of them, which is more than I ever will need. How about let's take a look at one of them. All right, so if you haven't listened to the podcast, you probably not familiar with these diapers. So baby Koala manufactures a simple one size cloth diaper. With the help of her husband, they wanted to keep this simple, straightforward, and intuitive for everybody to use. These diapers are made in Israel by Lheidli. I think she also had a few seamstresses on hand. She does have to source her materials from the United States because there isn't a lot of local textile manufacturing happening in Israel. So she purchases a lot of the cool max inside of the diaper, a lot of the exterior fibers from the United States, and this is kind of her diaper. If you look at it from simply, it reminds me of Grovia because it's this one snap tab. And if you know me, you know that I prefer a double snap tab, but that doesn't necessarily mean it's bad. A well-designed single snap tab can be just as efficient. What I loved most when talking with Lheidli about her diapers is that she uses athletic wicking jersey or Cool Max on the interior of the diaper. So that means that this diaper is a much more cool diaper per se. It has this skookum back elastic. Wow, do you guys see that? And there's no back open pocket, which might be awesome for some of you. Instead, there is a front open pocket to this diaper. She said that she's provided a two 3-layer microfiber inserts. These look like you've made them yourself. I'll have to verify with her and I'll add the text below, but she's got 2 microfiber inserts. The diaper comes with a full panel in the front, and the material just feels really nice. It feels very well constructed and very well made. The PUL it's got some give to it. It's got a good amount of fit, and she's got this diaper rated for 8 to 40 pounds. This inner flap is lined with PUL, which really interesting design. And I don't have babies in diapers anymore, but I know that the mama who designed this diaper she's got her kids in diapers, and this is a product that she uses. And in that vein, I know that this is a product that, like, it meets a need. There's something to be said about the women out there who are seamstresses in their own right, and they design diapers to fit and work with their kids. Soon, I also am going to see if my diaper tester can get this in hand, and I'll see what her experience is. I have a feeling that Kara will swap out the microfiber just like I would, but that doesn't mean that it isn't a good shell or anything. So Denise said that she also sent with me a couple of wet bags. So her PUL, she just buys PUL from a PUL provider, so you'll probably see these different prints elsewhere. Oh wow, this is a skookum bag. She said all of her wet bags are double PUL lined, so they're not thin. This is a good size for me to send my kid to daycare. This is a great sturdy bag. Oh, an even littler bag. Awesome. Little bags like this are really awesome if you have, oh, my battery's dying. A little wet bag like this is really fantastic if you have a daycare provider who insists that each dirty diaper go in its own bag. That's a thing. So they'll want to put a diaper into its own wet bag, seal it up, and then they'll toss it in your bigger bag for when you go home. So that's why these kind of bags exist. They're also really great if you're like me and you only ever bring one diaper anywhere with you. This is what I did. And then she sent me a little bit of a bigger bag. So Denise says this bag can fit up to 8. So again, this would be a great idea for a daycare provider or somewhere small in your home. Or, oh wow, look at this strap. Or if you want to strap it onto the back of like a travel day. I'll put this in the van, put all your dirty diapers in it while you're traveling during the day, and call it a day. It's got 2 pockets, a wet dry pocket and an exterior pocket. Man, okay, look at all this PUL. If you are like, if you get upset because your wet bags leak, this is not gonna leak. If this leaks, you got a problem. Look, it doesn't even have a seam at the bottom. It does on the inside. Oh wow. Girl, you built it. Wow, this is a well-built bag. And look at those yellies. I have one more bundle. So she said she sent me also a fleece. Oh, look at those fleece pants. So if wool scares you because you're afraid you're gonna terrify wool, or you're looking for a vegan option, fleece is another alternative. Fleece pants like these are just, they're super simple. You pull them on. This has a double padding in here, but fleece is water resistant. It's fairly water resistant. So it reduces a lot of the wicking and leaking that you might get. A lot of families will lanolize fleece, and the one thing about fleece though is that it tends to be single use. So we'll see if she corrects me on that, but you wear it once and then you wash it and then you can wear it again. Fleece is and can be a really affordable, cheap choice, and it's a great kind of extra layer. I know that I always put my kids to bed in fleece pajamas because I like that extra layer of protection, and these little fleece pants are adorable. And again, like, the quality of the material is incredible, and the quality of the seamstressness, that's not even a word, but just the production and the manufacturing, you can just tell that a lot of value, a lot of slow, like she's slow and she's patient and she does a great, fantastic job. Or maybe she's just really efficient. And so she also sent a pair of diaper, little baby pants. Okay, my daughter is way too big for these, but she would love those. So oh my gosh, these are cute. I love these. And they've got that extra little bit of bum, and they got that stretch that you need if you're a cloth diapering parent. I was a big fan of Dignite after our conversation on the phone for the podcast. Check that show out. But now that I have her product in hand, I can just tell that she is making a really high quality, well-built product. And it's just, I'm gonna get some of these diapers to Kara, to my tester. Go follow me and watch for these giveaways that I'm gonna do. First, I'm gonna photograph and I'll edit this video. So it might be a little bit of time, but man, she's doing a really great job, and I can't wait for you to go check out her brand and see what other incredible things Dignite has. If you are looking to shop, I'll include the Etsy link to her shop down below and the direct link to her shop. So again, this was baby Koala. They're made in Israel, and if you want to listen to the entire story straight from Dignite, go check out my podcast.